Okay, good morning, class. So at this point we're dealing with equations. We got back from the holiday, and by the looks of it, the holiday isn't good for you guys because most of your eyes are closed. But anyway, so at this point we have dealt with equations. Okay, it was the homework that we needed to mark from this. No. Okay, so your next heading is equations with fractions. Did we mark this here? Huh? But is there any problems here? So we did quite a few examples on this. We marked it already. Okay, nice. Equations with fractions. You can write this important note down as well. Equations with fractions. We are told to eliminate fraction by multiply both sides with the LCM of the denominators. NB, which is very important. We multiply both sides, every term, by the same number, namely the LCM. Okay, so write that down. We will look at the example now. Okay. Yes. Yes, what's wrong? Sorry? Okay, you guys finish? No. Guys must write faster, ne? Did you sit you? Did you leave Fatima? No, you can. Whoever's coming for the iftar, you must let the Fatima know, ne? So we can have a chair out for you. You can sit on the floor. No. You coming, Taskin? What? You must stay, so the must come. You and me. You must let Fatima know. Okay. So number one. So again, the question says solve for A, or solve the unknown, solve the equation. Okay, which page is this on? Page, Example on page 49. Okay, so What is your LCM here? 7. Not so much. What makes 7 your LCM? Because that's the lowest common multiple where 7 and 1 can go into without remaining. Okay. There's going to be, the LCM is going to be 7. So what we do is we multiply each fraction by 7. Not so? So that's going to be a over 7 multiplied by 7 over 1. 7 over 1 must be multiplied by 2 over 1. 7 over 1 must be multiplied by 4 over 1. Why do I put it over 1? Because that's your whole number. Play busy with fractions. You all okay with that? Any confusion? So what do we do now? Now we simplify. 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 7 once. Is there anything else here that cancel? No? Here cancel? No. So that's simply going to be 1 into A plus 7 into 2 equals 72. So what is that? That's now a normal equation to us, not so? A linear equation that we are familiar with. Okay? So multiply out and then you solve for it. So what do we have? A times 1 is A plus 14 equals 20. Take 14 over. So A is equal to 28, which gives you an answer of. Okay. Any confusion there? Any confusion? No? Yes? Sorry?
Why is the 7 on top and then you
Because if you write 7, you know why we got 7 as the LCM?
Because it's
The lowest common multiple. So if you write number 2, and I must write 2 as a fraction, it will simply be 2 over. That is why I put 7 over 1. Okay. Let's look at example 2 on page 49. What's your LCM here? Sorry? 8. Yes. So what do I do? Yes? No. Because why? If you got x over 5 is equal to x over 6. What's your LCM now? Can 5 go into 6? No. Sorry? 30. So like when we added and subtracted fractions, remember when we did that? Added and subtracted fractions. We found an LCM. Yeah, we're going to find an LCM as well. Okay? Everybody know why 8, no? And 8 is the biggest number where 4 and 8 can go into without remaining. Not the biggest, but the smallest number. So what do I do with that 8? I multiply each fraction by 8. Not so? So simplify. 8 will cancel 8, not so? So it's 1 and 1. So it's 1 times 3x equals. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8? Twice. So it's 2 times. So solve for x now. Okay, Ms. Dixon sent out letters to some parents with regards to some academic matters. There's a reply slip that needed to be returned to school. Not some. Those slips must come into me. Let's take it on the class list as well. So what do we get here? It will be 3x is equal to 2. How do I get x on its own? Divide by 3 both sides. So x equal to? Who got that right? Where you got wrong, Michael? Still busy getting it right. Okay. Who got it wrong? Where you got wrong, Michael?
So actually, 1 times 3x is 3x and 2 times 1. And actually, I need 3 on the outside.
So you wrote 3x is equal to 2. You have this. You took the 3 over. And so you said x equal to 2 minus 3. But how is this 3 and this x bonded? What is between 3 and the x? Multiplication. So what's the opposite operation for multiplication? Divide. That is why we divided here by 2. You understand? Any other confusion? Anybody else? No? Why are you throwing your toys on the floor? Huh? Pick it up. Or you don't want it anymore? Right, this example 3. On page 50. What's the LCM here? 2. Okay, so what's the LCM here? So that's going to be 2 over 1 multiplied by x minus 6 over 2. 2 over 1 multiplied by negative 1 over 1. You would agree with that? So what's going to happen now? Cancel. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 2 once. Nothing can cancel on the right hand side. Not so? So it's going to be 1 into x minus 6 equals 2 into negative 1. Okay. You got that? Who got something else there? Right. Now what? Get rid of the brackets. 1 times x is x minus equals 2 times negative 1. Now what? X minus 6 over. So x equal to negative 2 plus 6. So x equal to? You guys understand? Who got that wrong? Who got that right? You didn't get it wrong or right? You got it? Huh? Sorry? Negative 4. How you get negative 4? You said negative 2 plus 6. What did you say? Huh? Did it wrong. Anyone else want to share where they went wrong?
Yes, I don't understand.
Huh?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
The first step.
The first step. For the LCM?
No, sir, it's
Okay.
that the 2 over 1, sir.
You see, what did the rule say from the beginning? Did you write down the rule we told you to write down? Equations with fractions. Eliminate fractions. Eliminate means you say get rid of. No? To get rid of the fraction. Eliminate fractions by multiplying both sides by the LCM of the denominators. Okay? We multiply both sides, every term, by the same number, namely the LCM. So what I'm doing is I'm multiplying every term by the same number of the LCM. What's the LCM here? 2. That is why I'm multiplying this. If I'm multiplying it by x minus 6 over 2 equals negative 1. If I multiply this by 2 and that by 2, that's exactly what I'm doing. Not so? But this is a fraction. So we multiply it by a fraction. That is why I just put it over 1. Still not answering your question. Still not answering. Okay. So you do the next one for us. Let's see if you really understand. Is that okay? Okay. Right, Michael. What is your LCM? 12. Nice, nice. So what must you do with the 12? You multiply each term? Yes. So do that quickly. So that's going to become what, Michael? 12 over 1 times 2x minus 1 over 3 minus 12 over 1 times x plus 1 over 4 equals 12 over 1 times 3 over 4. That I could have just said 12 times 3. I didn't need to put it over 1. Not so? Right. Go for it, Michael. What happens here? 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 12. So it's 4 into 2x minus 1. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 12. 3 is 3. It's minus 3 into x plus 1 equals. Can anything cancel here? No. So it's 3 times 12 or 12 times 3. Who got this? Bianca, what did you get? No, Bianca, man. Let's work faster. What you busy with? Your lunch? You busy with your lunch? Not your lunch. Am I moving too fast? Am I moving too fast? Great, nice. Jesus. Right, go for it, Michael. Yeah. Times, go for it.
8x.
8x, yes.
Minus 4.
Yeah.
Minus 3x.
Yes.
Minus 3.
Yeah.
Equals to 36.
Yes. Now what? So do that.
86 minus
8x
8x minus 3x
minus 3x.
equals to 36 plus 4 plus 3.
36 plus 4 plus 3. So this is going to be 43. What's 8x minus 3x? Now what?
Divided by 5.
Divided by 5. So therefore x is equal to? Who got that right? Bianca is so busy. So busy. Sorry? The second part. This in black? In the red? So you go from this straight into the black. You must write it in so that you can simplify it and you can see what you have. Okay. Okay. Can you carry on? So Jessica, you will do the next one first. Yes, because listen, I don't want you to forget anything. Okay, we're gonna help you. Why are you so scared? What's wrong with you? Why, Jessica? We will help you. Isn't that the reason why we're here? Special one for you. Right, give everybody a chance to write it down and do the first step. Okay. Did everybody get up the chocolates this morning? Huh? Who didn't get? Why didn't you get? No, everybody must. Now you late before the thing. Cabbage? It was only you. And you. And you. Oh, so you were walking out before the time. Cabbage. Relax. Cabbage. One of each. Or two of you. Take it. Okay. People, what's your LCM here? 6. Yes. 6 over 1 times? X over 2. Minus? 6 over 1 times x minus 2 over 6 equals.
Why is it over? Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with you?
No.
What's your meaning? Equals. Carry on. 6 over 1, yes.
Times 5
Plus 6 over 1
times 4 minus
plus
2 over 1.
2 over 1 times. So simplify. Simplify. Get rid of the fractions. What's wrong, Kippy? Right? Just next step, man. Go for it, go for it. Jessica? Jasmina?
No, I don't like it.
Well, what name you like? Huh?
Kavita.
Kawthar. Nice. I like that. Kawthar.
Oh,
2 going into 1s, 2 going into 6? 3. So it's 3 into x. 6 cancel 6.
so isn't it negative 2 and then x in the
Why? Because a 6 goes into 6 1, 6 goes into 6 1. So it's negative 1. That must be multiplied by 2 by x minus 2. You understand? Equals? There 2 is, so it's 2 times 5. 3 is 4 minus x.
That's 1. That's 1. No, it's 2, sorry.
Nice. Alright. Yes.
What if you wrote 6
6 into 2, 2 into 6 is the same. Okay. Any confusion with regards to this line here? No. Right. Solve for x here. You alright? Yes. Ask. Don't be shy. Use negative x plus 2. Right, so let's go. Get rid of the brackets. So what's 3 times x? 3x minus x plus 2 equals 10 plus 12 minus plus. So what do I do now? Right, so it's going to give you 3x minus x plus 3x equals 10 plus 12 plus 12 minus 2. What's 3x minus x? 2x plus 3x 5. 10 plus 12 plus 12 is 20, 34, 32. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
What do I do now? Divide by 5, both sides. So therefore x is equal to? Who got that right? Good. Myra, will you go wrong? So why isn't your hand up? Yes. Sorry? You can write it as 6 and 2 over 5. You can, that's boring. But it's fine, you can write it like that, no problem. Okay, we'll do another one. Now we're looking at number 6 where the denominator has a variable in it. Now the denominator has a variable in it. Covering. Talk so loud. Here's the next sum. Oh, you want to do this one? Okay, nice. Nice. No, she's talking loud, so I think she wants to do this one. Your hand is up. You want to do it? I don't know. What's the question? Oh, don't be shy. Yes? What is it? Equal. What's the LCM? 6x. What must we do with 6x? Put it over 1. Multiply each fraction by 6x. Okay, do your thing. The TikTok thing, no? The sum. Yes? Cancel. X is cancel. Kauthar. Is it? Now why are we calling you the wrong name all the time? Yes. Yeah, if that's what you want. Huh? I can only imagine it's another story. It's fine, it's fine. Whatever your reason is. We don't have a Kauthar in grade 9, eh? Okay. So we got 1 in 9B and 1 in 9A at least. Huh? Right. Talk to me, girlfriend. Your LCM is 6. So it's going to be 6x over 1 times 1 over 2. Plus 6x over 1 multiplied by 1 over 3x equals 6x over 1 multiplied by 2 minus x over 6x. Right, cover it. Yeah, 2 goes into 2 once.
Then 2 goes into 6 3 times.
So it's 3x times 1. Plus
3x goes into 2x once and 3x goes into 6x twice.
so it's 2 into 1, nice.
6x cancels 6x.
So it's 1 into 2 minus. Who got that right? You got it. Multiply out, let's see what you get. 3x times 1?
3x
Yes.
plus 2 is equal to 2 minus 8.
Nice. Now what?
You move the
Sorry? X is one side, number is the other. Sorry. Hello? Speaking? Didn't my wife come? I said my wife's supposed to have growth line and my son. Didn't she think it? Okay, I'll just check the So that's going to give us 3x plus x equal to 2 minus 2. So 4x equal to? Divide by 4. Cancel. So x equal to? Whatever. Who's using a calculator?
Say that 1. Anything to
Absolutely anything to the power of 0 is 1. But this is the power? No. No. Yes?
If you look, the answer is
0 over 4.
No.
The simplest form is 0. So you must simplify. But the person who said it's an error is absolutely correct. Why? Can't divide by 0. You see here, if I substitute this back, remember if we take this, let's go here. Let's go here. Yeah. If a is equal to 14, okay? If a is equal to 14, then this, if I put 14 in here, it's going to be a over 7 plus 2 is equal to 4. And we could have checked it by I've said a is 14, that's the left hand side of the equal sign. So it's 14 over 7 plus 2. What's 14 over 7? 2. And 2 plus 2 is? You see it works. So if you now apply that same rule here, okay, apply the same rule here. And I put 0 in the left hand side. So I'm going to get 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 times 0, which is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 0. You see, anything divided by 0 is undefined. Not 0, it's undefined. You put that in the calculator, show you. 1 over 2, oops. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 0. Anything divided by 0 is an error. Can you see that, people? So therefore x can't be equal to 0. So this sum actually has no solution. There's no solution on that sum. Yes, Michael? Yes. Listen, she didn't talk to me yet for the term. Welcome back. People, listen, if you had asked a question, if you left no solution out and not pull a line here, you know, lost them. So now don't pull a line, no solution everywhere. It's only certain points. Sorry? Okay, you guys got it? Yeah, Nadia's now number 7. Number 7. Example 7. Good morning. Is that from class? Okay, so what's your LCM here? It's 2a. So it's going to be 2a over 1 times 3 over a minus 2a over 1 times 2 over 1 equals 2a over 1 times minus 2a over 1 times 9 over 2a. What's going to happen here? Cancel the a. So what am I left with? 2 times 3 minus. Can anything cancel here? So it's 2a times 2 equals. 2 cancels 2, not so? So it's going to be a times 1 minus 1 into. Who got that right? You still busy, Bianca?
Wait, no.
What's wrong, Jessica?
You see me, but people trying to offer it.
Yeah? You left the a out.
No, I left it.
You didn't write the a.
I remember I went to that. I was leaving the first and
Right, so what do we have now? 6 minus 4a is equal to a minus 9. Now what? A is one side, number side. So it's negative 4a minus a is equal to negative 9 minus 6. What's negative 4a minus a? What?
Negative 5.
Negative 4 minus negative 5. A equals negative 15. You all got that? So what do I do now? Divide by negative 5%. So therefore, A is equal to 3. Who got that right? Yes? You wrote 3 is equal to 8. What's wrong? So you got 3 is equal to 8. It's fine. Anybody else? A is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to 8 is the same. Right, your homework is exercise 3 on page 50. You guys can start with the homework now. If you have any problems, you can come to me as well. On page 50 is exercise 3, not 50 sums. Right, you guys got it? Yes, sis. What's wrong with you? Is this too much?
No, sir.
No, okay. Would you like to give me a little more? It's fine. Yeah, the bell ring. Oh yeah, there's a register at the end of the day. No? So I don't know if you want to walk through break, since you had a 2-week holiday. You're fine. And it was 1 week, not 2 weeks. No? People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class.